G'day, today's the day. Open up the shed, big fella, show them what we've got. Well, here we go. We're all lined up, getting some hungry jacks. I'll show you a bit of a convoy we've got. Obviously you've seen a couple of the builds that I've done, but check out me mate's cozy coop. Oh, how wicked's that? So yeah, there's 5 of us down here. My other mate's parked over there. I'll give you a quick rundown on his. So my other mate, Brad, and his dad scored this one last second buy. Apparently he had a coolant leak, but that doesn't bother him. The poor XLs, eh? Another couple of them about to die. Well, bloody stoked. All the cars passed scrutineering, which I was a little bit worried about. Just wanted to make sure everything's right. I'll take you for a walk and show you some of the cool cars that people have got down here. Well, I'd like to thank the sponsor Petters Kennington, hooking us up for entry and a few bits and pieces. Obviously that's the maddest car here. Nah. And Sketch Monkey helping us out. Tyre Right, Armadale, he helped us out with a few spare tyres. Check out the Shark, mad. Rally car spec, scared of the dark. Here's a little naughty car. Pink bits. Oh yeah, awesome. What do you think, girls? Oh, give us a dirty thumbs up. It's part of my YouTube channel, come on. Yeah! Good old piece of scrap towing. They got a few. Looks like it's gonna be a good challenge. And check out this nugget of a Volkswagen. Cardboard, is that a front quarter or a rear quarter? Don't know which end to hit. Oh, check this out. We'll go have a look. I reckon I could have got one more in there somewhere. Does anyone remember that number 3 Lancer? That was here last time we had a crack. Ah, wicked. Time to go sit with the family, watch a bit of Speedway, and hopefully I get the GoPros right this time. The steering, I think the steering gave way on Brandon, but holy dooly. He kept going for a while. So check out the Sketch Monkey's car. He tipped it on its side. We were able to drive it onto the trailer. Check out those side reinforcements. Just punched straight through. I'm glad we had that in there to keep him safe. Well, I don't know if I lasted 2 minutes that time or a little bit longer, but come check out what I've done. Oh man, I'm hoping the GoPro recorded it, but I got smashed. I don't know if you can tell, but yeah, the back end, I'm not sure what happened. I got spun around, then old mate, he's just ploughed straight into the door. And that's bent that that 6mm plate that's in there. Yeah, I lost drive. What else? The engine still runs, so it'll be interesting to see why I've lost drive. I'm hoping there's a cable or a drive shaft to make it worth it. Look at that back wheel. Oh well, that was some good fun again. Thanks for watching. Dirty thumbs up. I hope you enjoyed that video. Follow me on my Facebook page of Down the Shed with Byron. As I disassemble them, I'll post some videos or little photos of what I found wrong. Otherwise, yeah, take it easy.